Every toy begins as a simple grain of plastic.
Sorted and ready for transformation into vibrant components.
Flexible elements like rubber bring toys to life.
Even the tiniest springs are crafted with precision.
Color is carefully measured for every toy's charm.
Some toys still honor the timeless touch of wood.
The transformation from raw plastic to parts is about to begin.
Precision cuts shape the foundations of play.
Tiny springs will soon give motion to toys.
Every hue is meticulously prepared for perfection.
Even the boxes start as raw elements in this process. Quality begins at the very first touch. With raw materials ready, the journey of play is set in motion. Movement begins long before machines awaken.
Raw materials enter the heart of the factory.
Automation ensures every load finds its path.
Each material follows a precisely planned route. Millions of pellets prepare for transformation.
Flexibility arrives right on schedule.
Precision parts demand careful handling. Color journeys quietly toward expression.
Every movement is tracked, measured, controlled. Timing is everything in industrial rhythm. Robots assist where precision matters most.
Everything is now in position.
Transport complete, production is about to begin. Before creation, machines must breathe heat. Purity ensures flawless molding.
Only the strongest materials continue. Flexibility is refined through cleansing.
Every part must be perfectly dry. Solid transforms into liquid potential.
Consistency is carefully guarded.
Color is born inside the melt.
Only perfection flows onward. Precision begins before shaping. Human eyes remain the final filter.
Everything is ready to take shape.
The moment of formation arrives. Under pressure, imagination takes form. Every cavity fills with precision.
Heat gives way to structure.
Seconds define perfection.
A new form is revealed.
Excess is stripped away. Flexibility is pressed into shape. Metal and plastic unit. Scale turns effort into abundance.